Have you ever found yourself staring in the mirror, scrutinizing every little blemish, and wishing for a magic cure for your acne and pimples? Well, you're not alone. Today we will dig deeper into the world of acne and skincare, exploring everything from the causes of acne to the most effective treatments. Pay close attention, because this journey might be the key to unlocking your clear skin secrets. Skin structure and how acne develops. Let's start with the basics. Our skin, the body's largest organ, is also the most exposed. It faces everything from pollution to stress, and of course hormonal changes. But what happens beneath the surface when a pimple forms? Acne begins in the pores of our skin. Each pore opens a follicle containing hair and an oil gland. These glands help keep our skin soft and hydrated. However, things go awry when these glands produce too much oil, leading to clogged pores. Add dead skin cells and bacteria into the mix, and you have the perfect acne recipe. Real-life testimonials from individuals discussing their acne struggles. Meet Melissa, Troy, and James. Each has battled acne and come out on the other side with stories, experiences, and insights that could help demystify many myths surrounding acne treatment. Melissa shares her missteps with harsh scrubs. Troy talks about the wonders of a balanced diet. And James highlights stress management techniques. While Melissa, Troy, and James found paths that worked for them, it's crucial to understand that each skin type is unique. What works for one might not work for another. When it comes to treating acne, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Treatments can range from over-the-counter topical products containing benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid to more intense strategies like prescription medications and even laser therapy, depending on the severity of the acne. With so many options available, it's essential to approach acne treatment with patience and persistence. Remember, the journey to clear skin can be a marathon, not a sprint. Seeing these transformations can be truly inspiring, but discussing skincare routines and daily habits supporting skin health is vital. These include maintaining a healthy skin routine, including hydration, gentle cleansing, and avoiding skin irritants. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at tackling acne backed by science and real-life stories. Whether you're dealing with occasional pimples or more persistent acne, remember, you're not alone in this fight. So what's your next step towards healthier skin? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and here's to clearer, healthier skin.